What up, traders? It's him, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and welcome to Everyday FXT. So, this is the final day of the week, guys, and I thought, man, I should just, end this thing because we've been profitable, took those punches, and we might need to fight back. So, good thing, good trade. Some trade managed to go our way, some trade decided to go the opposite way. So before I get into it, go like, comment, you can comment anything, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel to show me that what I'm doing is good. So guys, yeah, subscribe so that I know that what I'm doing is good. And then let's get into it. Today we've been profitable. I think we have. So our first pair of the day, guys, is USDJPY. So we were profitable on USDJPY. So if you are new, go watch my previous videos so that you are not lost as to what I will be talking about just now. So the market gave us a first touch, a second touch. We were looking for a third touch. Remember when I gave you this analysis, the market was somewhere around this area here. And I did say that the market will go down to this area. So it played exactly how I wanted it to play. Played exactly how we wanted it to play. So we were looking for that third touch. I remember my arrow was somewhere here. Say the market will go just one more time down. People can actually shoot up to give us a third touch. Or it can eventually just break down and then continue all the way to the downside. But I was looking forward to see that third touch. And guess what? The market managed to give us that third touch. So because I couldn't do an intraday, guys, I'm sure and certain that some of you guys did manage to read the structure and the movement of the market after giving us that third touch and then took the trade all the way to the downside, right? So good thing that we're seeing the market managed to break this trend line. So we're seeing a first touch, second touch, third touch, and then boom, shoot to the downside, broke this trend line, and then we're coming back to test it, which is good. And it's good enough that the market is closing in this area here. So guys, we'll have a profitable Monday, hopefully. So this is how things went on USDJPY. We did, it's some of you guys, I'm sure you managed to catch this buy all the way to the upside, right? I'm sure you guys did. But if you didn't, it's fine because I didn't really give you the intraday on USDJPY as to say, okay, the market is at this area here, we can buy, or the market is here, we can sell. So I'm so sorry for that. I'll do better next time. So let's move on to our next pair of the day, which is GBPUSD. So guys, first thing first, GBPUSD did move to my direction, but then it took it way too far. Remember, you guys, we had this trend line right here. Alright. Had this trend line exactly right here. So I had this trend line. I did say that I'd love to see. No. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Okay, so our trend line was exactly like this. And I remember very well we had this we had this support which was a resistant. At the same time we had it exactly right here. And for that short, I can move all the way to a 5 minute time frame just to say we managed to see that short move to the upside, right? So I did say, guys, we want to see the market coming to this trend line to test this trend line before it can actually go all the way to the downside. So for those who managed to scale all the way down, the market broke up, came to this area. So the market, when the market was here, I did say I'd love to see the market coming to this area. And what the market did, it tested this key area first. It went up and then it came back down to test it for the second time with a very nice bullish engulfing candles. And then boom, shot all the way to the upside. TP hit and then we out. So let's move on to a 1 hour time frame. I'm not happy with the movement of this pair, but I'll try read and understand why is it moving this way, right? I'll try to see why is it moving this way. So fortunately today I'm doing only a daily lookout, so we're just seeing what happened, yeah. And then on Sunday I'll give you guys a full weekly analysis going all the way to a 1 week time frame. So all right, so the GBPUSD CAD managed to shoot up, touch the trend line, or TP is hit, and then shot down. So for those who managed to catch this sell, I'm sure you guys managed to eat all the way to this TP here, and you took your profits. Exactly at this TP here. No, no. Okay. Exactly at this TP there. It was a short after all. It was not a long entry. So it was a very nice short buy and a very short sell. Short buy from here all the way here, the short sell from there all the way here. So you guys were profitable. No cap. No lies, nothing. You guys were profitable. And then the market decided to shoot up. After shooting up and shut down. So you see this movement, guys. This is the festive movement. Market shoots up and then shoots down, equal candles, and then shoots up again. So this, guys, to me, for you, this is the festive movement. This is very, very wrong, right? So the market broke the trend line. So the market is in the middle of nowhere. Good thing it closed in the middle of nowhere, because from here, we don't know where it's going next, right? But obviously, we all think it's coming all the way to this trend line, but then we don't know, we're not sure. Let me move on to our last and final pair. I don't want to make this long. Just 10 minutes is enough. So on USDCAD, we managed to hit our TP. I did say I'll give you an intraday, guys. Good thing that by the time the market touched here, I would have given you guys an intraday to say, let's sell all the way back to where we bought. But then, good thing I didn't give you an intraday. So what I like about this pair is that it closed exactly where we are supposed to take our sell entries. So let's look forward to a new week, and then we'll dive into it deep on a new week. So what we had here, we had a support trend line. So if I make this trend line even longer, you can see that the market managed to break down this trend line, and then it went up to touch our TP, and then it came back down, broke it, came back to test it. We'll see maybe going down one more time, coming back to touch it for the second time, and then catching that sell all the way to the downside. So it might give us some fake breakouts, close above, and then come back in. Something like this might happen up there, because this is the festive move. It might give us that, especially because by next week we'll be in the middle of the month. So Go like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's it for today's video, guys. It's him, Mr. Gentleman T. I'm signing.